Alright, so in this video, I'm going to try to do the home button repair as fast as I can. First thing you got to do is remove the 2 screws on the bottom of the phone. Use a magnetic screwdriver, it works the best. In this video, I'm not going to make any cuts. I'm not going to show a lot of details. It's a really easy thing, and that's why I want to show it to you like this. I just use my fingernail to pry up the screen, and then I lay it down, the screen down. I don't even have to remove the whole screen. Just screen down, and then there's 2 screws. This screw right here to the left, and then there's going to be one over to your right side lower screw, not the top one. And you just remove those 2 screws. It's best to use a magnetic screwdriver since they're small. And then remove the cover. After you remove the cover, just disconnect it from the connector right here. It just plugs in. There's a little notch that goes in the hole right there. Put it in the notch and then push in the connector. After that, put the cover back over the top. Good thing with making a video is you can always go back and see exactly the way that it goes on. And then put in the last screw on the top there. And after that, you just put the screen back into place. Remember, it kind of slides in first, and then you pop it in. And that's all there is to repairing the home button. Let me turn the phone on, and I'll test it out and show you. Also, don't forget to put in the screws on the bottom. 2 screws. Touch ID is showing up because it's an aftermarket one. Let's see. Yeah, home button works.